Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to save game progress on Whiteout Survival. So let's get started. First, open your Whiteout Survival game. Now, tap on the display profile picture which is at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the settings icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now select account option. Among these three options, select any one of the options that you prefer. In this video, I'm gonna save my game progress using Facebook. Tap on it. And then tap on the continue button. And this is how you can save game progress on Whiteout Survival. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.